to do today, I have to go bless the woman I met last Sunday with a bar of soap, and then I will take a walk in the neighborhood. Come along with me, enjoy the video. Let's go! So it has been raining since 4 a.m. in the morning and it's not even stopping. Right now it's 1 p.m. Yeah, and it's still raining, so brothers have been washed, hanged on the wires, but trust you me, they can't get dry in this weather. It's raining heavily. And now it's about 4 p.m., you know. So I'm out, guys, and this is the money that I'm going to be spending while I buy this bar of soap, laundry washing soap. It is 5,500 shillings. That is basically like $1.3. Yeah, 1.3 cents dollars. So yeah, come along with me. Let's go and bless the woman who needed this soap. Okay, that apartment across looks so nice. So yeah, finally, guys, we have this soap and we're going to be giving it to the lady that we met last Sunday. And yeah, it's a 1 kilogram bar of laundry washing soap. Let's go. So basically I'm out here in the neighborhood and yeah, I'm walking through. It's been raining super heavily, guys, so yeah, this is how it's looking like. This apartment is so nice. Check down there, check up here, and I think it is Ruthie. Hope she still remembers. What did she say? She stays in this gate. Where did she say she stays? I think here. Oops. Aveno. Zizay. Zuno. naye nga lwaki mbasituukiriza just eri waggulu kuderiko twambuka bwetiti waggulu ale neeyama nga lwaki sijja kati mwembadde mukyajjukira
Madasinza kusubira ntojja. Nyingira mu nyumba ngamba yani lero mbadde n'abagenyi ngamba mama cheka lero abagenyi bali wange.
Nedda.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Sani mkama akubize.
Amina.
Amina.
Nonya.
Kwa msajja.
Amina.
Amusajja omulungi.
Kale amina.
Na mtu kwa nusu sente nyingi.
Yabareko nyabo. Kale.
No munnaye.
Mubere ndo katugobera wano.
Mbeera muno.
Gwebeera eri waggulu. Mwemale kuba baneiba abalungi nga mukwataganya.
Tugezaako.
Kale baddiya. Noono neiba wammwe. Kale naye nja mmulaba. One of the days sigenda suubiza kati. Kale baddiya The rich neighborhood. Look at her. Should we term this one as where the rich hide in my neighborhood or what? All these houses here are posh. People are building apartments and it's beautiful. People are building posh houses. Check this one. Oh my God. It's a sunny evening walk, so let's go. Yo. Here looks so nice. It's well paved in the gated community. Jesus Christ is Lord. And this is how it looks like. I mean, of course, semi-rural, urban, gated community. So, let's sit down. Okay. Here it is. It looks so beautiful, but I fear recording because I don't want people to have issues with me. So basically where I am, you will only find Eritreans or Ethiopians, but it looks super nice.